Welcome to Mora IFC. It is what it is. There are three different ways, three different styles how to achieve this, and I'm going to explain all the three steps, all the three styles, so you can choose each one of it. You can choose each one of it. I'm going to give it to you as you need it. As usual, the back is always longer than the front, so this time it's almost 3:45. Like I said, there are three different ways, so many styles that you can achieve this, and I'm going to give it to you all. I'm going to explain all of it. So my neck 2.5, then I cut my shoulder slope, drag the front to level with the bottom, then I fold 1/2 inch on each other like this. I have a tutorial on how to cut this on top. Well explained, nothing is hidden, nothing is hiding. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out. I'm going to go fast here. Your shoulder to shoulder, you divide it by 2, or you measure your armhole, you divide it by 2 to get an armhole. I have another tutorial on how to cut a perfect neck. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Do well and check it out, how to cut a perfect neck to all sizes of the neck that you want. I'll be going fast here. We are used to this, it is what it is. If you have been following, we are used to this. So this is the front center. So we're gonna make a sketch here. I'm gonna mark 1.5 inch from the center. You can see I'm gonna mark 1.5 inch from there. I want the design to fall on 1 inch away from the center. So 1.5, the half will be the joining. So I'll come to this part. I want it to be longer, fall on more than half of my length, more than half of the length. It should be more than half of your length. Then you make a sketch. Don't use pen. We are working on the right side of the fabric, so don't use pen. Also, you have to make sure and check all the time. All the time, you have to check and see where the design fall. It's gonna fall on the right side or the left side. You have to check that. It's very, very important to check that. So as you can see the style, you can see how the style is. It's not actually on the center. It's just a little bit away from the center. That's why I left to 1.5 and I make my sketch. If you are new to the channel, do well and subscribe, like and share and comment and click on notification bell. It is what it is. We're gonna use this. Don't throw it away. It's very important. I'm gonna use that. So this one is gonna be my third fabric. So I'm gonna use this one and cut this part. Just look the way I'm gonna cut it. Look the way that I have placed it. I have left almost 2 inches over there. I left almost 2 inches over there, extra allowance. And check on the shoulder side, you can see I've left another space over there. That one's almost 2 inches. Then I make my sketch like that. Don't go and put it on the fabric and cut the same thing. You have to leave some spaces. We are not working on the main pattern. We are not working on the pattern. We are working on the fabric. So when you're working on the fabric, you have to be very, very careful with the allowance that you're gonna add. Working on the pattern is different than working on the fabric. So I'm gonna make a notch, 2 notches, 1 notch over here. and I make my second notch over here. It's very important. You're gonna know the reason why I made that 2 notch over there. Some people may prefer not to cut this. Some people may prefer not to cut this. They will decide to get another fabric and they're going to do all this one on the other fabric. After that, they'll come and top stitch it over here. I hope you understand why. So this is the notch. Obviously, you're going to match the notches together. The notches supposed to be matched together and we sew around. Like I said, some people may get different fabric, then you're going to do all this stuff. After that, they will not cut the way I've cut it, and they're going to just fold 1/2 inch and they'll just place it on it. Talking about this third one that we are going to do with this fabric, you can fold 1/2 inch this part and then 1/2 inch this part. All you gotta do, you just have to put it this way, then you top stitch. That is one part of it as well. When you put it this way, you can see the design has formed. You can just top stitch here, then you join the other one, then you go. Or second, you can draw these lines that I'm drawing, then we're gonna cut that part and we're gonna join it. Even the black, you can even make it as a pocket. You can turn it as a pocket. You know, you can make it as a pocket. So it's up to you which one that you want to choose. You want to make it as a pocket or you don't want to make it as a pocket. So you can decide on that. So this part I have explained 3 times. You can either fold 1/2 inch, then you top stitch, or we're gonna cut this part, then we fix it, or you don't have to cut it, you just have to make that one as a pocket. So I'm cutting it to show you this style. You can do it this way, or you can just top stitch it, that's all. If you are new to this channel, do watch, subscribe, like and share and comment, and click on notification bell. It is what it is. Check out on this angle. Look at this angle. This is how you're gonna cut it. Don't go and cut it straight. This is how you're gonna cut it. Like this. So there are several ways of achieving this style, and I've explained all of it for you, as you can see. Like I said, you can do this way or other way. You just fix it in like this. And we're going to top stitch at the tip of it, just at the tip of it. So let me go and do that and come back. So we are still using this. You have to match the notch that we made. You can see. We transfer that notch over there as well on the black. So this is it. It is what it is. If you are new to the channel, do well, subscribe, like and share and comment. Click on notification bell. I post videos every Sunday, so maybe Saturdays or maybe Monday, so it's important you click on notification bell. It is what it is. So we're gonna match the notch that we made. Remember we made a notch, you're gonna match it together. You have to pin it, you match your notches together. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up, you know, it is what. If you like this video, do wanna give me a thumbs up, family, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Show love, show love. So we're gonna sew 1/2 inch away. Take your time when you're working with a circle, an angle, any curve. You have to take your time when working on that. You need to take your time when sewing that part. It's not a straight line that you have to go zrr. When you're dealing with something with a curve, angle, stuff like that, you can see I'm matching the notch together. Then you take your time. Don't rush. It's good to take your time to bring out the best than to rush and make mistake and you'll be tearing. You have to redo it again. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Oh boy. So we're done joining that part. You can see, have you seen how beautiful it is? You make notch at that part. The part that we just done, like I was saying, some people may prefer to do it separately on a different fabric without cutting and joining this way. They just have to make a different fabric, then you just come and place it on this one like this, and you fold 1/2 inch around it and you just put it on it, and voila, they have gone. And someone may decide to cut it and go through this procedure and fix it this way. The black, some may decide to just place it on it and top stitch. Some may decide to make it as a pocket. You can decide to top stitch here or leave it like that, just at the tip of it. So there are so many ways that you can achieve this style, and each one that you're gonna pick will bring out the best result. Each one that you're gonna choose will give you the same result. So if you can see the space that were left, just have to trim it off a little bit, trim that part off. Please do well and subscribe, like and share and comment, and click on notification bell. Comment, ask question if you have a question to ask. If you want to compliment, just compliment. Remember, this part that I'm cutting right now, we left almost 2 inches, but look at what we left now. It's almost 1 inch or maybe less than that, you see. So it's good that you leave some space when you're dealing with style like this. You know, you can see the outcome. So you just have to cut the armhole and voila, it is what it is. We're done. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you all. So you can see we have 1 inch away from the center. 1 inch. If you look at the style, it's not from the center, it's just a little bit away from the center. You can see that. It is what it is. Thank you. God bless you all.